Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to receive crypto on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So if you're wondering whether you can receive cryptocurrencies on your Revolut, so you can definitely receive. So this is according to Revolut, we can definitely receive cryptocurrency on Revolut, like to our Revolut account, but only when it's sent by another Revolut user. So just make sure that when if you're trying to receive a cryptocurrency to your Revolut account, just make sure that the sender is sending from their Revolut account, not from any other outside the Revolut platform. Because if they are sending outside Revolut platform, then according to Revolut, we won't be able to receive the cryptocurrency on our Revolut account. So if they are sending from their Revolut account, then that's fine. So all what the sender has to do is just simply go to their Revolut and then tap on the transfer tab in the app, and then select one of the friends, so which means, like in this case, you. So ask the sender to select you as you are the Revolt friend. So choose your contact, and then choose cryptocurrency from the drop down list, so whatever they are going to send, and enter the amount that you would like to receive or they would like to send, and then tap on send, and that's it. The cryptocurrency will instantly appear on your Revolt account. So that's how you basically receive a cryptocurrency sent from another Revolt user. So please keep in mind that this only works for users sending from another Revolt account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.